Welcome to the ACJ course, everyone. This is a video on just to show you how to use our online platform and navigating the ACJ page. So when you go to the website scholarsdental.com, you're going to go to the members section. Then you want to go to the ACJ online section, or this tab here. So now you are on the ACJ online page. So first you have this, the first box, which is where your lectures will be and your studying will be in the videos here. So you click on this plus button and you will get the videos. So if you have a video, let's say you want to see, let's just say the pharmacology, then you click this again, and then now you could click play. Click it again. Now you have access to this video. I'm just going to mute it here, and you can go forward and pause it and watch this video. Okay. Sometimes we upload exercises in a file format. So you could click on the file, for example, here, and you'll get a file, and then you could scroll down. So you want to scroll up and down while you have the mouse button, the cursor on this gray part of the page. Sometimes if you go outside the page, you'll scroll up the actual website page. So if you want to scroll within the file, you want the cursor to be inside the box. Preferably, I see it mostly working when it's in the gray area here. You just scroll up and down and you could answer these x-rays. And then you could, for example, zoom in when you want to and zoom out. That's one way. The other way is you could hold control, scroll up and down to zoom in on the file. And most of the time we have a video to discuss the file or the exercise. And the video will work the same way as the previous video. And sometimes we have just an answer. So for example, here we have download answers, and you'll be able to download the answers. Okay, so that's how to use the study for the study box here, or the online platform. The videos, sometimes you have files or little quizzes. The answers may be in a file format, or sometimes will be in a video discussion. Now, when it comes to the mock exams, you want to use this area here, which is called the ACJ Online Mock area. And you'll click again on the plus, and then you want to get your answer or the bubble sheet. So you could click on this, you'll get the bubble sheet. So see Scholars Dental ACJ mock exam bubble sheet. You could download this and print it. Okay. Now you don't have to, you could just mark, or you could just use a pen and paper if you want, but just this is more, more like the exam if you want, just to kind of remember your answers and more organized. Now, let's say it's the day for mock 1. You'll see the mock 1 is activated. So you'll click on the mock, and then you'll see the mock exam here. Now, again, you're going to have that scrolling issue. So what you want to do, you want to make sure the cursor's in that gray area. So look, it's still not working. So you want to click here. So you want to click in this gray area, and now it will scroll up and down. So we've had students that had some problems with this, because when you put the mouse here, it will scroll up and down the entire page, not the file. So to scroll up and down the exam, you want to click in the gray area. You could use this as well. So I'm clicking here on the scroll bar here and going up and down, or you could just keep it here and go up and down as well. Okay. Again, you could zoom in and out. Now, when there's an answer, or when on the discussion day for the mock, you're going to have these activated where it says mock 1 answers. You click on it and you're going to get the video. So in this case, when you click here, it's not going to work. But what you want to do is you want to click either down here. See how the cursor turns into a hand? So you either also go to the right side again. When it turns into a hand, then you click it, that would work. And that's it. So now you could click the play button, which is here. You see it comes out here. Or you could click here as well. It works. Okay. Discussion. There you go. So the first mock exam, as you see, there's 6 cases. And again, you could scroll forward and backward into the mock. Okay. So again, let's try that again just to make sure. And you want to come back to this when it's time to do the mock, okay? So again, it's not going to work here. So you might want to just go down here, click again on the play.
Well, problems.
And then it will
and
work.
all of these
will work. Okay. So that's how to use the platform. The buttons that you want to watch will be activated. They may be different videos than these. This is an older version, but you will get, this is basically the way to do it.